Hello, I'm Ian Jones, Head of Operations. I look after operations and customer experience. Feefo has essentially given us a live dashboard of how our customers experience every stage of their journey with us. In an operations team, you can sometimes get caught up in processes and output, how many enrolments, how quickly we turn things round, and really lose sight of what the learner experience is. Feefo closes that gap for us. It helps us treat every customer as if they're on our advisory board. That's where the real operational value of Feefo sits for us. It's not just a badge on a website, it's an active feedback loop that shapes how we operate. It gets checked 365 days a year. No customer waits to be heard. From an operational standpoint, 4 consecutive Platinum Awards tells us something that no other internal metric could confirm. That we're not just hitting a high standard occasionally, we're sustaining it consistently over a prolonged period of time and through challenging conditions. I'd say the single biggest thing is to go in with a mindset that this is an operational tool, not just a marketing asset. Yes, the Platinum badge looks great on your website and in Google's ads, and it absolutely drives conversion. But using it alongside the actual feedback to listen and improve based upon verified customer experience is just as important. It helps us build a robust foundation, highlighting where we get it right and give us clarity on when to change when we're not. Feefo is built into the fabric of our daily operations and we can't imagine life without it.